Elevate your outdoor cooking with top-tier camping stoves built for the wild. From rapid boil times to sturdy, wind-resistant designs, each stove delivers performance where it matters most. Lightweight yet tough, they turn any campsite into a gourmet kitchen under the open sky. In this video, we recommend the 7 best camping stoves, based on quality, durability, price, and more. Check the description for purchase links to easily find the right choice for you. Number 7. Coleman Triton Plus Portable 2-Burner Propane Camping Stove. The Coleman Triton Plus Portable 2-Burner Propane Camping Stove is built for campers who want power, control, and convenience in the wild. It delivers 22,000 total BTUs of cooking strength, letting you boil water fast or simmer food evenly using its independently adjustable burners. Perfect flow and perfect heat technology ensure consistent fuel flow, even in unpredictable weather. Push-button InstaStart ignition allows matchless lighting, while dual wind guards protect the flames from being blown out. A built-in handle and heavy-duty latch offer easy transport and secure storage when not in use. The rust-resistant aluminized steel cooktop and removable chrome-plated grate simplify cleaning after a hearty meal. This stove fits both 12-inch and 10-inch pans, making it perfect for versatile outdoor cooking. With up to 1 hour of burn time on high with one 16-ounce propane cylinder, it's an efficient and reliable companion for all your outdoor adventures. Number 6. Chef Master 90019 Portable Butane Camping Stove. The Chef Master 15,000 BTU Portable Butane Camping Stove is built for serious outdoor cooking with powerful performance and reliable design. Its advanced piezoelectric ignition offers instant lighting without matches or lighters, perfect for camping, hiking, RV trips, tailgating, and emergency use. Delivering a strong 15,000 BTU output, it ensures fast boiling, steady simmering, and efficient frying with precise heat control. Designed for safety, it includes an inline regulator and pressure-sensing shutoff to stop gas flow when pressure gets too high. A double wind guard protects the flame from wind and drafts, maintaining consistent performance even in tough conditions. Lightweight and compact, it comes with a rugged hardshell carrying case for easy storage and transport. Whether you're heading into the mountains, prepping for emergencies, or cooking on the road, this stove delivers dependable power anywhere. Number 5. Gas 1 High Pressure Single Propane Burner. The Gas 1 High Pressure Single Propane Burner is the perfect solution for outdoor cooking with serious heat. Designed for campers, tailgaters, and home brewers, this heavy-duty burner delivers a high output, consistent flame ideal for fast boiling, frying, and searing without burning your food. It features a durable cast iron burner head and a tough metal body built to withstand rugged use during cookouts, fishing trips, or backyard feasts. Equipped with a top heat guard to prevent oil splashes and protect the hose connection from flames, it enhances both safety and performance. The bottom heat shield further protects surfaces and internal components from heat damage, making it dependable in all outdoor settings. A premium quality hose assembly ensures consistent gas flow, providing reliable cooking power every time. Whether you're brewing, boiling seafood, or cooking for a crowd, this propane burner delivers powerful, efficient, and safe heat wherever you need it. Number 4. ShineStar Dual Fuel Stove. The ShineStar Dual Fuel Stove is a versatile and reliable choice for outdoor cooking, offering both butane and propane compatibility. It includes an adapter hose, letting you switch easily between fuel types based on your needs, whether you're camping, tailgating, or prepping. With up to 7,800 BTUs of power, its efficient aluminum burner uses a porous annular design to boil 4 cups of water in just 5 minutes, saving time and fuel. A built-in piezo auto-ignition system ensures easy match-free lighting, designed to ignite over 10,000 times for long-lasting use. Safety comes first with cartridge ejection, a safety lock, and automatic shut-off, all working together to keep operation secure. The stove is easy to transport thanks to the included carrying case, while the porcelain-coated grate is removable for quick cleaning. Compact, efficient, and packed with features, this stove is ideal for any outdoor adventure. Number 3. Jetboil Genesis Base Camp System Camping Stove. The Jetboil Genesis Base Camp System Camping Stove is a high-performance cooking solution built for campers who want speed, power, and convenience. Featuring a compact dual-burner design, it delivers up to 10,000 BTUs per burner, allowing you to boil water on one side while cooking full meals on the other. This makes it perfect for base camp and car camping trips. The system includes a 5-liter flux ring cooking pot and a 10-inch nonstick frying pan, designed to distribute heat evenly and improve fuel efficiency. The integrated windscreen helps maintain consistent performance in outdoor conditions. Despite its strong output, the stove folds neatly into a portable carrying case, making it easy to pack and transport. With quick setup, durable construction, and reliable performance, the Jetboil Genesis Base Camp system is an excellent choice for serious camp cooking. Number 2. Ogre 2-Burner Foldable Camping Stove. The Ogre 2-Burner Foldable Camping Stove offers unique versatility with a dual-function griddle, textured for grilling and smooth for cooking eggs or cheese. 2 burners deliver 10,000 BTUs total, providing quick, efficient heat with adjustable controls and push-button ignition for easy use. Its spacious surface fits 2 10-inch pans, perfect for family meals or group cooking outdoors. This portable stove folds compactly and includes a carrying bag, making it ideal for camping, hiking, or tailgating trips. Durable stainless steel construction ensures easy setup, use, and cleanup after outdoor cooking sessions. Windproof features help maintain steady flames in various conditions, while propane fuel compatibility adds reliability. Number 1. Hisense Portable Camping Stove. The Hisense Portable Camping Stove is a compact and lightweight dual-burner stove delivering 20,000 BTUs for versatile outdoor cooking. Its foldable design makes it easy to carry, perfect for hikers, van lifers, and car campers needing powerful performance in a small package. 2 independently adjustable burners let you cook multiple dishes simultaneously with precise flame control and fast piezo ignition, no matches required. Built with rust-resistant stainless steel and a heat-proof shell, it stands up to wind and rugged conditions for reliable use. Compatible with isobutane, propane, and butane fuels, it adapts to different canisters for any adventure. We can't mention the price, because it is constantly changing. All these links are available in the description box. Don't forget to check the update price. We will be back with more videos soon.